Your father said that one day you would return for the documents. Did you find them useful?
We did indeed, Aaron. May we see the great egg?
You may, but I must remind you that it is a holy symbol of our people. You must not touch it.
We are indeed honoured that you trust us enough to gaze upon it.
Professor Buckley warned us that if it ever was destroyed, the Aquila would fly out and destroy our people.
We'll see. Maybe.
But it's my life, Mother. If I stay here, I will live a life of surviving, but never learning.
You're wrong. You learn by surviving, and hunting, and cooking, playing.
But it's not like that. I want to explore the world. There's a lot more to be learned in, I think, what's it called? The universe.
You want to explore the stars. The stars look down on us, not the other way around.
And you say it's never hatched, or changed temperature, or texture at all?
And my father said that under no circumstances should the egg be smashed.
He said that the bird would fly out and kill us all.
I've caught some fish for supper. Please would you come and join me in eating?
We'll join you shortly, Atera.
I will come now. Do you know the way back?
Yes, it's not far.
Please, do not touch the egg.
Oh, thank goodness they've gone. It was like being in a sweet shop with the manager breathing down your neck when you're choosing what to buy.
Should you be doing that, old boy? You heard what they said.
Walter, as your father's notes quite clearly stated, the whole thing is a work of fiction. We're perfectly safe.
He's still Algy. Still your son. But he's been given a gift. To travel further than you or I could dream.
He's so changed.
You're his mother. You have the right to worry and look over your son. If you allow him to travel, he will remember it and think fondly of you and return to you. If you forbid him to leave, he may hate you and run away, and he may never be seen again.
He's just a boy.
No, Andakika. Look at him. He's a man now.
You know, if I could get this back to the Venturer, Robo could run some scans on it, some examinations.
I really think you should put that down.
Algy, have you seen Steve?
No, I've been with my mother all the time.
I saw. Have you changed your mind about staying?
No, but it's difficult.
Your friends are now our enemies.
Atera, what's wrong?
They dare to move the great egg. They blaspheme our sacred symbol. I must fetch Aaron.
Oh no.
Come on, we better follow. Steve's obviously dropped himself in it again.
Somebody with some sense at last.
Silence! How dare you defy the tribe of Aquila by touching the sacred egg without my permission?
Well, there's nothing sacred about this egg, I can assure you, Aaron.
We didn't touch it, honestly.
Aaron, please. They wouldn't have meant any harm. It was a mistake.
Algy, as a member of our tribe, you must join us in honouring the great egg and in our anger against the blasphemers.
What will you do to us?
We have no choice but to offer you as a sacrifice to the tribe of Aquila, the great winged species.
Oh, this is nonsense.
Please, Stephen, don't ridicule them. They're entitled to their beliefs.
The egg is a fake.
You show no forgiveness for what you have done. You have angered the holy gods.
Aaron, if we had broken the egg, it wouldn't have mattered. You've got to believe me.
If the egg is opened, we'll die.
Stephen was right. The egg is a fake. Aaron, you've got to understand that my father was just trying to protect you and your tribe. As well as being an explorer, he was a writer too, and he invented this whole story of the rare bird Aquila criatus. He was trying to prevent your tribe from attacking the tribe of Aquentus.
You lie!
I have his notes here to prove it. Read them!
They cannot read, Mr. Buckley. None of us can.
Now where's your proof?
Look at it, damn you! Your great egg is nothing more than paper mache. It's man-made.
It was all a trick then?
I'm sorry, Aaron.
It's time for me to go. Please let it be on good terms.
Oh, Algy. I'm so proud of you. Here, I have something for you. It was your father's. A great warrior. He saw new sunsets, just like his son.
I wanted to tell you, Aaron, that we're leaving now. I'm sorry how everything turned out. I'm sorry for interfering with your tribe's customs and ways. It's not something I'm in the habit of doing, believe me. I don't ridicule you. I have much respect for you. An author, Philip Yancey, once said that nature and supernature are not two different worlds, but different expressions of the same reality.
My tribe shall remove all symbols that represent the great bird and the egg. We can now visit Aquentis without fear to search for food. And for that, I thank you.
Wow, this looks excellent.
Good work, Robo.
I did a fair bit of the refit myself. Isn't that right, Robo? Robo?
All systems functioning, preparing for takeoff.
Oh, fine. Someone's in a hurry to go. Now, Algy, are you sure this is what you want to do?
Yes, Stephen. I'm sure.
You're on the island?
I sure am. You're in for a surprise.
What do you mean?
Tarzan and I have looked all around the island and there appears to be no signs of life and there never has been. Your father was wrong. There's no signs of life on Aquentis and I don't think there has been for hundreds of years.
Then why did he go to extraordinary lengths to prevent people from going to the island? Why invent the whole story of the Aquila Criatus?
I'm sorry to have to say this, Walt, but someone's got to. There's simply no explanation.